Looking for the best Instant Pot to upgrade your kitchen? Whether you're pressure cooking, slow cooking, air frying, or just want a multi-use tool, I've narrowed down the top 5 models you should consider. Let's dive in. Before we jump into specific models, here's what to look for. Size, capacity, features, pressure, slow, air fry, sous vide, ease of use, and of course budget. As reviewed by the Spruseeds, the best models were assessed for design, performance, cleaning ease, and overall value. First up, the Duo Plus 8-quart. This is rated best overall by the Spruseeds thanks to its excellent performance, versatility, and big capacity. It can do everything from sous vide to sautéing to steaming, and the stainless steel pot disperses heat evenly. Pros: extremely versatile, excellent performance, large capacity, 8-quart. Cons: more expensive than basic models, big footprint, needs space. Next, for tighter budgets, the 6-quart Duo is a standout. It supports pressure cooking, slow cooking, yogurt, sauté, and more. The review says it's a high-quality multitasker at a reasonable price. Pros: great value, lots of functions for price. Cons: doesn't have some advanced features like sous vide. Inner pot may spin during sautéing in this model. For those who cook often and want more control, the 10-in-1 Instant Pot is ideal. It remembers your favorite settings, has up to 28 customizable programs, and performs strongly in large batch cooking. Pros: highly customizable, lots of cooking modes. Cons: browning performance could be better per review, higher price point. If you also want air fryer capability, this model is hard to beat. It offers pressure cooking, dehydrate, broil, air fry up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, along with steam and sauté. The review says it's the most versatile single unit they tested. Pros: massive versatility, can replace multiple appliances. Cons: expensive, big size, takes counter/storage space. Finally, for small kitchens or singles/couples, the 3-quart Duo Mini is a smart pick. It performed very well in tests, but the review notes it lacks the sous vide feature and the inner pot may spin during sautéing. Pros: compact size, easy to store, strong performance for its size. Cons: limited capacity, not ideal for large families. Fewer features, no sous vide. So that's our top 5 Instant Pot picks. If you want one recommendation, for all-round performance, go with the Duo Plus 8-quart. On a budget, choose the 6-quart Duo. If you cook a lot and want flexibility, the 10-in-1 is excellent. Want air fry plus pressure cook? The Pro Crisp is your model. And if you're working with limited space or cooking for 1/2, the 3-quart Mini does the job. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and leave a comment with what you'll cook first in your Instant Pot.